So I'm here at the Neikkarapatti Lake, and so behind is the there's a rock temple, and there behind that is the Kanjamalai, and so about the sun here, it is like setting down, and it's pinkish, and half pink and half yellow. And so about there is a lot of mountains here. There's about a lot of mountains here, and this is the Neikkarapatti Lake, and walking on the path, it is very slippery path, and there's usually less traffic, no people here, and about one or two people passing by each minute, and so today, yesterday I was talking about the sand and its features. So today it's like rocks. Suddenly, after seeing this great rock here, so this is the place where I come and sit and cool down. So this looks similar to an igneous rock. Igneous rocks are usually of volcanic origin, and they are sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, and later. So this about later about the theory. When talking about it, it is like. Geography, it was okay to learn, but I felt it very difficult to memorize and write on it. But simultaneously, I used to get the first mark. It is like I memorize, but with somewhat difficulty and struggle. It is a struggleful about rocks and minerals, but if I'm here around picking up stones and things, so I would be more aware of the rocks. So there is one more mountain, so similar to the igneous rock, and this is like V-shaped mountain, and nearby also there is a U-shaped mountain. So I think this is the ECG mountain, and ahead of my bike, it is so they are cultivating some crabs or fishes or some seafood here, and this place is very good for walking around. So about the minerals which I have been talking on, it is different types of minerals which I have been on the which I have been searching for, not like searching for, which I have found abundantly and I have been searching for in the net, and it's so about 100% of minerals, about 40% it is like quartz, so white quartz, white quartz and white quartz. It's about maybe I'm not searching for in places other places where other type of minerals are found, but I think quartz is a very good friend of gold. So then again it is getting on, it's taking time more, and it's 5:45, so I'll be talking up to 6, and this place is starting from this place to the up to the Neikkarapatti Lake. It is has numerous kind of stones, rocks, and mining materials. So about the igneous rocks, so I was about to read about igneous rock before I was talking. So it is I got into the name of granite and tin and um, tungsten and something like magnesium and some minerals. So again about volcano, it is red in color. So I was very surprised to find the volcanic rock of white color here. So here it is about a white color, and that place in the Kanavai Pudur, Kanjam Pudur. So that place was silvery rocks, and so when people interrupt, it's very difficult to again continue with the life, and so and it's always fun too. So the moon looks like a face, a red face, and about coming to the stones. So I have been on the stones. It's magnesite stones have been next to the quartz. So mostly in the living in the dwelling regions, the magnesite stones are more, and the quartz are less. So these regions are uh, maybe if not a forest, maybe like a sea or a river or a ocean. These places are more of quartz, and you can see colorful quartz uh, um, what to say, brown quartz and pink quartz, yellow, orange, and limestone. Yellow quartz is limestone. So I picked up once its limestone like a Meccanas gold, and it was very chill, and most these quartz, when they are very cold, they are called as diamonds, I think. So moving on, and so I could see a lot of mountains here. More to predict about mountains. So this is about the mountain on the right side, and taller mountain on the left side. This is surrounded by, this place is completely surrounded by a mountain, and the sun sets in a lower mountain. So it's very amazing to see the sun sets in a lower mountain, and so if it is and then it must not be a sun. It must be some other planet, maybe a Jupiter or a Mars. So Jupiter would be very big, and so I think this place is Mars. And again, moving along. So when I see people, it's I want to see time. It is see 10 more minutes to talk, and again about the mountain. So to describe about the mountains here, so that is a Kanjamalai mountain, and nearby there is one more mountain. That is so this small mountain near the Kanjamalai, it is a piece of liver. So it is. So I went through into the mountain from top to bottom and into the side. So I could guess clearly it is something made into an art form, and I could see some faces and some drawings there on the mountain. But it is the mountain is it has a highest peak, but it's not like a highest mountain, it has the highest peak. And like to say about the color of the mountain, it's about livery brown, it is purple color. So then about the strait this side, the mountain there, I think so I am not aware of the mountains that side, and straight to it, like the smallest mountain would be this. Oh my god, like it is somewhat bigger. I could not find out what is this mountain, so I would again go into so this side the straight would be the Neikkarapatti mountains, I think. And like again this side there are huge lot of mountains. And so about to know more, like when we discover everything, when you move on and you spend a lot of time and a lot of money and lot of energy, it is like again these mountains come along onto one side. And again when I find this place, I find this Kanjamalai as the hugest peak, because it is like standing on the wind. And only a few mountains could be like that. And like finishing, thank you.